divide to get it right. I'm really playing chess. I use my knight, can't fall behind. I got it right, don't sleep in class. Oh, you won't pass. I use my formula sheet, cause I don't cheat. I use it on my test. I'm feeling blessed, rose for Christ. You gotta come, remember in class, we don't chew gum. Get off your phone and pay attention. Not to mention, you're your detention.
Okay, based off of your formula sheet, what's the first thing we need to do? What do you do with the C value? You got to move it, yes? So I'm going to subtract 3. So the constant is on the other side. Okay, pay attention here. So our goal here is to complete the square. In your notes, you did examples where it said find the C value. Okay, there's a formula for completing the square. Tell your partner what the formula is. What letter? A, B, or C? B, and what do you do with the B value? Half of it, and then what do you do with it? I'm going to square it. So my B value is 2. Half of 2 is what? 1. And 1 squared is 1. 1 times 1, right? So your C value, or kind of like to complete the square, is 1. So you're going to add 1 to both sides. The reason why you can't just add 1 here, it makes this equation be balanced. To balance it out, you can add 1 to both sides, and now it's essentially the same. Okay, on the left side, we're going to now factor. Class A times C. It's 1. Your B value. 2. The two numbers that multiply to be 1, but add to 2. Good, they are 1 and 1. If you need to, you can use the box, but the shortcut is when A is equal to 1, you don't need it. So x plus 1, x plus 1. That's okay. I forgot to add those. Okay, now what do we do? How many of these do we have? If I take the square root, pay attention. When you take the square root, the next step you have to have plus or minus. You must have plus or minus. So this 2 goes away, the radical sign goes away, you're left with x plus 1. And now the square root of negative 2. That is negative 1 times 2. Class square root of negative 1 is? Hello? Might have to poke your eye out, give you a patch. I radical 2. Okay, if you subtract 1, you put it to the left of the plus or minus. Negative 1 plus or minus I radical 2 is your answer. Pretty crazy answer. This has a complex solution. Because there is an I in there, it's not going to cross the x-axis. I do want to point out that you need to do this completing the square if you're going towards vertex form of quadratics or equations of circles. If I was doing the vertex form, I would just move this over and then you have your H and your K.
M is for measurement units. A is for complex algorithms. T is for translations, transversals, and trapeziums. H is for the height of any shape that you desire, and math is all that is surrounding you. Math is so much more than 2 plus 2. You can understand it. Take that number and divide it. Math was made for me and you.